Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Wonderwall on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. You're gonna wanna put your capo on 2. The chords you'll need are E minor, open 2-2, open 3-3, G, 3-2, open 3-3, D, open 2-3-2, A7, open 2, open 3, open, and C, open 3-2, open 3-3. The verses will go. Pre-chorus. The solo does this 8 times. That's slowed down. 3, 2, 3. Open on your G. 2 on your D. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time, just replay this video. You'll get it.